One afternoon, on the weekend of my birthday, I decided to try sex without a condom. I thought it would feel good, and I'd heard from my friends that it feels better for guys without any protection. So I told my boyfriend to skip the condom. He was skeptical, but he did it anyway. When we finished, I thought he pulled out and everything was okay. But he told me a few minutes later that he thought he hadn't pulled out in time. I freaked out, but I couldn't yell at him because I'm the one who had insisted we have unprotected sex. I feel disappointed in myself, but I couldn't sulk. I had to act fast. As I walked to the local pharmacy, I wished my boyfriend was there with me, but he had to work. The walk was longer than usual, with all these questions flooding my head. Why couldn't I just use a condom? What if it's too late to take any pills? What if I'm already pregnant? Fortunately, I wasn't pregnant, and I hadn't been exposed to a sexually transmitted disease. Now when I have sex with my boyfriend, we're always super careful. He wears a condom all the time. We definitely learned our lesson. I realized that having sex without a condom isn't worth the days or weeks of being afraid that you're pregnant or have an STD. Feeling good and having my boyfriend feels good is great, but I'd rather figure out what feels good and also protects our sexual health.
1 out of 2 sexually active single people will contract an STD by the age of 25. Many people do not know it because there are no physical side effects.
You forgot to mention that every year 19.1 million Americans contract STDs. STDs over time eventually turn into HIV.
Hey, but you can commonly contract an STD from unsafe sex and or drug use. The common sexually transmitted diseases are herpes simplex 1 and 2, HPV, and hepatitis A, B, C, and E.
There are many ways to keep yourself healthy while having an STD. Exercise and the right medicine or diet can also help you.
It is mostly common in homosexual relationships to contract an STD, so it is wise for you and your partner to get tested. This also goes for heterosexual couples as well.
Me.
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 Safe sex is great sex. Use a latex.
Because you don't want that, I think I'm latex.